Dear students, today we are learning different layout of the slide in a presentation. Go to the home tab and in the slide section click on the layout button. You will be finding different layouts available in the PowerPoint. Title slide layout, title and content layout, section header, to content, comparison, title only layout, blank layout, content with caption, picture with captions. See here, when you start a new presentation, by default this title slide appears. It provides you two placeholders, one for the title and another for the subtitle. Placeholder means the text box where you type actually your text. Okay. Next one is title and content. This, when you want to insert the subsequent slides, you want to insert a single title and then the text relevant to that title. In that case, this layout is very useful for you. It provides you options to insert a table or the chart or the graphics or the smart art or the picture from any file you can insert by using this slide layout. Next is section header. This slide layout you can use when you want to give the section in between your presentation. Next one is to content. See here, it is providing you the title box. You can put the title and two different boxes to add the text. You can use here this text box to insert the object, and then one side you can put the text relevant to the object you can describe over here. Go for the next one, comparison layout. The comparison layout you can utilize here two different columns available between any item. If you want to compare, then you can utilize this slide layout. Put the title and then subtitle for the relevant column you can put, and then comparison can be done. Next one is title only layout. Here you can put title and then this blank area where you can insert the required clip art or any object relevant to the title. Next one, a blank layout available. This blank layout is not giving you any placeholder. It means it is not giving you any text box to write the text. You can utilize to insert the table from the Microsoft Word over here, or you can insert any other object from the PowerPoint, or any object from any other file you can insert over here. Next one is content with caption. You can put caption over here, and relevant to the captions you can define the text over here, and descriptions you can put in the provided placeholders. So one side text you can write and the heading or captions you can put over here. Next one is picture with caption. See here, three different text box available over here. First you can utilize to insert the picture, and then bottom you can write the title for the picture which you have been inserted over here, and then next box you can utilize to describe the picture. Likewise, you can apply any layout in your presentation as per your requirements. So hope you will be utilizing this layout in your presentation and creating a good presentation for your project work. Thank you.